warm good morning to everyone. Firstly, we are very thankful for giving this wonderful opportunity for us. We are from Government Degree College for Women Autonomous Nalgonda. We have prepared a Jignasa study project on medicinal properties of Thuja plant. Myself Jayashree from BJC first year. Now I am going to introduce my teammates. Shravya from BJCS first year, Deepika from BJCS first year, Tulasi from BJCS first year, Hema from BJC first year and Ushashwini from BJC first year. Now Shravya is going to explain the introduction part of Thuja plant.
Thuja is a genus of coniferous pears in the Crustaceous cypress family. Thuja occidentalis is a species that is native to eastern North America and is now planted as an ornamental tree in a variety of locations including India, Brazil, Europe among others. Agavita and white cedar are two more names for the same plant that are often used. In the 16th century, native Indians in Canada recognized this plant as a medicine for the first time and also found it effective in the treatment of scurvy-induced weakness. Thuja evergreen trees growing from 10 to 200 feet, that is 3 to 61 meters, tall with springy texture reddish brown bark. The shoots are flat with side shoots only in a single tail. The leaves are scale-like and 1 to 10 millimeters, that is 0.039 to 0.394 in long.
About Thuja plant. Thuja, a genus of evergreen coniferous trees and shrubs, is recognized for its diverse uses, ranging from ornamental landscaping to traditional medical application, commonly known as herbivorous, and these plants belong to the cypress family and are characterized by their scale-like leaves and small cones. Botanically, Thuja encompasses several species, with the most well-known being Thuja occidentalis, also referred to as Eastern American arborvitae. These trees typically have a conical shape with dense foliage that provides year-round greenery. These scale leaves imitate distinctive fragrance when crushed, contributing to the plant's popularity in landscaping. In ornamental horticulture, Thuja plays a significant role due to its evergreen nature, compact growth habit. It is often used as a hedge or screen plant, providing privacy and delineating boundaries in gardens and landscapes. The various cultivars of Thuja offer a range of size and shape, allowing for flexibility in design.
Beyond its ornamental uses, Thuja has a historical association with traditional medicine. The indigenous people of North America, including First Nation tribes, are known to have used parts of Thuja occidentalis for various medicinal purposes. Leaves are often used to make teas. Powder is believed to have therapeutic properties. One notable traditional use of Thuja is its association with respiratory health. The plant was employed by indigenous communities to address respiratory issues such as coughs and bronchitis. The aromatic qualities of Thuja attributed to compounds like thujolin may have contributed to its use in this context. Additionally, Thuja has been explored in homeopathy. In homeopathy practices, preparations derived from Thuja are sometimes used for skin conditions such as warts and as an immune system booster. It's important to note that while Thuja has a history of medicinal use, scientific evidence supporting its efficiency in this area is limited, and any medical use should be approached with caution and under the guidance of healthcare professionals.
Objectives of Thuja medicinal plant: to explain the medical health benefits of Thuja plant, to explain botanical description of Thuja plant, to explain geographical distribution of Thuja plant, to know methods of usage to achieve provided health benefits of Thuja and also side effects of Thuja medicinal plant, and also to know scientific research and studies of Thuja.
Methodology of study is survey method and scientific research and studies of Thuja. Scientific studies have explored the antimicrobial properties of Thuja, suggesting its potential in various infections. Compounds of Thuja have demonstrated inhibitory effects against certain microorganisms, contributing to its traditional use in wound care and skin conditions. Immunomodulatory effects. Research has delved into the immunomodulatory effects of Thuja, indicating its ability to modulate the immune system. This aspect may explain its traditional use in supporting immune function and combating illnesses.
Finally, the conclusion on Thuja. In conclusion, Thuja is a versatile leader that finds itself valued in both ornamental landscaping and traditional medicine. Its evergreen foliage and adaptability make it a popular choice for landscaping purpose. By historical uses in traditional medicine and add an extra layer of interest to this plant. As with any botanical or herbology, it is essential to balance historical knowledge with current scientific understanding and seek professional advice when considering medicine applications. Thank you.